with it. They come on with a motor. These are battery operated that you have to put a blade on it. Magnetic clippers, adjustable blades. All these adjustable. Trimmers or liners for detail work. All of these are trimmers. Trimmers, clippers, motor drill clippers. Sanitation. Must sanitize first. Alright, today I'm about to do a basic haircut. First we have to begin with the neck strip. Wrap the neck strip around the client's neck. Hold up for a minute. Then we get our chair cloth cape. This is to protect the client's skin from touching the cape. Now we take a barber's comb and we comb the hair with the grain. That's the pattern in which the hair grows. Okay, we will not cut any hair as far as proceeding with the basic haircut. We're going to begin with the design. Spritz. This is spritz. This is a holding spray. I'm going to spritz in the area where I will begin the design. Now we comb it through. The first tool that we will use is the trimmer. This is for outline work and detail work and design work. We will be doing a 5-point star design. Vertical line, horizontal line. Connect these two lines together. The comb is for control. This is our original star. Okay, we're going to use a smaller trimmer to clean out the inside of this star. Now, I'm going to use a razor to clean this out a little more. Pull the skin tight whenever you use the razor. Help prevent cutting. Pull the ear back. This is the first layer of the star design. Now we will begin to outline around the star. Gonna go about 1/4 of an inch out. Comb so I can see. Knock off the excess hair. You have to cut the hair on both sides of the line to make the line look as sharp as possible. First star, outline. Now we will make a third outline. Comb to knock off the excess hair. You okay? Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, now we are about to shade and lighten areas in the design to make it stand out more. To do this, we use a clipper, and it's masters. Not a trimmer, but a clipper. Okay, we have just lightened the middle section of our star. I'll open the clipper all the way back up, cutting with the grain, which will leave the hair darker than the previous one. And during this process, we lost a lot of our detail. So we got to go back in with the razor or this clipper called a tattoo. It has just a tiny blade, and this tiny blade will allow us to go in and get detail work. First, I will show you how we're going to clean it out with a tattoo first. That's the tattoo, a fine line. Okay, that's the tattoo. I prefer a razor. Pour the skin tight. Okay, you see the detail lines. Alright, even on the inside we lost detail, so I'm going to clean that up again as well. Right here, this is where the line is a little bit confusing because we have too much hair in the line. So I want to show you guys, you pull the skin tight. Now, we have completed our star design. Now we have completed our star design, our detail. We have 3 shades, bold, medium, and dark. Now that we have completed the star, we're going to add some more lines. I'm going to go back in there and tighten it up later, but we'll get this. I'm going to start back with my tattoos to get more detail in here. Now we're going to use some clippers to taper the back of the hair. My finishing work, I'm going to put a hairline around the perimeters of his head, and I might just touch back in here just a little bit with the razor to clean this out. And then this haircut will be complete. Now we'll begin a basic hairline, and I'm going to use some spritz again around here to give me a razor sharp looking edge. Okay, we begin the hairline from the center of the head, making your first line. Okay, that's the first line. We go from center to corner, back to center to corner. This helps to keep the line straight. Okay, center corner.